So, the $100 million leads webinar hit, and everyone has a take. And we'll get to mine in a little bit too. And the big chatter of the week was also this. Ash is going full cost caps. And we'll get to my thoughts on this as well, which might be a little bit different than what you'd expect. If you haven't caught on yet, new place, new digs. I promise to do a full unboxing of this room in next week's video. And speaking of unboxing, we're gonna get to Robert Rahill in just a little bit. With that being said, let's get started. Welcome to Digital Marketing in 5. It's a new place, yeah! Where we talk about all the things you probably should have seen on the internet this week. Show them something fun. Alright, so to start off today, let's get straight to the $2,000 giveaway. Now, we've been doing this all month long. We're gonna have one more after this and a massive announcement on next week's video. But with that being said, let's spin the wheel! Here we go, here we go, here we go, and Chief and CEO for life, you're the winner! Okay, now if you want to enter to win next week, which will be our very last week of this free giveaway. And for the record, we've given away now over $12,000 in prizes. We only intended to give away $10,000 for our 10,000 subscriber giveaway. But hey, we're almost to 12,000 subscribers now. And that's in 1 month. That's insane. So thank you all so much. And if you want to enter to win next week with our final giveaway, just go down and share this video. Then send a screenshot to info@disruptorschool.com. It's just that easy. Remember, next week is the final week where you can enter, and everybody that is entered that hasn't won will be eligible for a second chance prize. And that second chance prize, another $2,000 giveaway. So this is gonna be amazing in hopes that we get to 12,000 by the time that happens, because why not give it all away? This has been so incredibly fun. So share the love, and when you do so, you're gonna get freebies as well. Last week we had over $3,000 in freebies just from the entrances, which is amazing, and I wanna 5x that this week. That being said, let's get back to this week's video. This happened. No, not that one. This one. Yeah, that. So here are the stats. 400,000 people tuned in live. 150,000 hardcover books were sold out. He made nearly $5 million in 2 hours. That's incredible. This is just crazy. And to be fair, I love this. I'd say it once again proves that brand and value is everything. When the $100 million offers came out, Alex only had a couple thousand subs, and he sold like 30,000 of the books, but it was mainly through referral. And I've done the $100 million course, and what's really interesting is you can see that there's a lot of there. But believe me, this was a huge coming out party. And this is massive for a ton of people that Alex Hormozi is coming out.
Wait, what?
Now for the cost caps. Put that tweet back up. I'm curious to see the impact of this. Now, unlike most people, Obvi has the levers to really try something like this at scale and sustain it. The real question isn't, can this work? But could we be doing things better in a more proper and simpler fashion? You can leverage volatility if you have the workload bandwidth, but that's a path to success built on waste. If you can do the same, but on far less resources, then the upside is a lot more. And to give it a bit more clarity, remember, cost caps make your ads fatigue. They also really leverage intent in the mid of the funnel and bottom of the funnel. Now, Obvi can do this because they've already set up a standard operating procedure producing a ton of content. And they have a great market share. They got into Walmart. Once again, congratulations for that. Here's a clip, by the way, of Ash being a goof at Walmart, and it's just made me so happy to see just people being so successful and just embracing it. It's amazing. My prediction, it will work. for 3 reasons. First, seasonality is really swinging back into the favor of D2C advertisers. Their retail presence and massive community also form the data pipeline and can help overcome some integrity issues when it comes to the funnel. And number 3, like I already said, the workflow's already in place. This very high volume of creative development and testing already exists. The real question isn't will this work, but how much better would it be if you made it simpler? Or even how much less work could you do to get the exact same result? Okay. And now for our spirit animal, Robbo Rahale. Now I'm gonna set this up and legit play the whole video, because it's potentially the greatest unboxing video I've ever seen. Let's roll that beautiful bean footage with all the love in the world.
All right, so we got the first heat box in. Let's see what it's all about. Yeah, let's check it. How do I open this fucker? This one. Very good at this. There we go. Alright. So this kind of caught my eye. It's supposed to be some like cool designer stuff, and it's like a mystery box. I decided to give it a try if I could even get it open. I don't know how to open this thing. Should I just rip it? We're just getting the grab it. We're going Christmas style over here. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's see what's going on in this. What did we get? The Heat mystery box. Thanks for shopping with Heat. This is pretty useless, but whatever. Alright, here's the actual stuffs. Oh, I gotta tell you, this is not impressive at all, especially for what I paid for this. I would call this a rug. I don't know how to open this thing again. Okay, there we go. Okay, like, why the fuck would you send me a sweater in the middle of summer? So that's fucking, one, that's hideous. It's absolutely hideous. I am so angry right now. That's fucking useless. And it's hideous. What is this? I would not be caught dead in this. This is absolutely horrific. Should be put in an incinerator. And what else we got? A fucking shitty deck of cards. This is the absolute biggest rug I've ever been a part of. I would return this if I could. 0 out of 10, almost -2 out of 10. This is horrific. I couldn't be more angry.
And okay, once again, that's a really weird way to end it, but there's our show for the week. And if you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any other things coming from what we're doing here, between the lessons and all the funny shorts that are happening, and of course, the Digital Marketing in 5 series. That being said, thank you so much. YouTube thinks you might like a couple of these things. Don't forget to smash the button. Until next time, I'll see you on the internet. Bye.